What's up? Danny Highstalker with Call 1-8, helping people do their business better. And I'm super excited because we got this. That is the Poly Blackwire 8225. And this thing has active noise canceling speakers. The microphone has that acoustic fence technology. So do we have a headset that will finally block out a barking dog? Stay tuned. Alright, so let's take a look inside the box. Alright, so we have the box here. Let's take a look at what you get with the Poly Blackwire 8225. Alright, so there's the headset in there. You get that stuff. I forgot about that stuff. And then that's it. There it is. That's all she wrote. Alright, so now let's take a look inside. Alright, so now the case is like neoprene material. So let's take a look in here. Alright, so you have this. So let's take a look at what you got here. It's a quick start guide. It's a setup. Basically, they're telling you to download Plantronics Hub, which I strongly recommend. It does have ANC, active noise canceling, and it has the ability to adjust depending on the noise levels within the office space. So a recommendation, mid for office and high for loud environments. So we'll mess with that. And so one of the things that I've talked about in previous videos is cable length. And so this particular cable is like 7.2 feet long, which is kind of nice, right? It's kind of nice to have a longer cable because it allows you to sort of connect your tower, whether it's close to you or away from you. I happen to have received the USB-C variant, but they are available in USB-A. You got your answer hang up, volume up, down, your mute button, and then there's your active noise canceling control right there. All right, and then here's the speakers. It does have a left and a right, and you do see that they swivel for easier storage. And then these ear cushions, just because somebody was asking the other day about this, they do swivel all around, and it's super comfortable. Right, so this is a very comfortable headset. But what I'm gonna do next, plug it in. I'm gonna update any firmware that needs to be updated or software that needs to be updated, and then we're gonna play around with this thing because I'm super excited to test this microphone. All right, so stay tuned.
All right, so I'm back. So I plugged the headset in. It was USB-C, so my laptop supports USB-C, so I just plugged directly into the laptop. Let's do a little quick mute test. So here's the mute button. All right, so you get a little voice prompt that says mute on and then mute off when you do that. So anyway, I'm gonna adjust this because I always like to tell people make sure the mic is positioned properly. And you can wear it on the right or left side. So even though the ear cups say L, R, left, right, you can flip it around. Active noise canceling. So again, you have mid and high. All right, so there it is. So you got ANC off, mid or high. But before we do all that, I did make sure that the Plantronics Hub software was up to date. I ensured that the headset firmware was up to date, and our video guru guy, Justin, can kind of show you all the available sort of settings that are in Plantronics Hub when you download it for the Poly Blackwire 8225, and they can just show you on the screen here all the, again, different settings that you can adjust via Plantronics Hub. All right, but what you want to know is how does this thing sound? All right, let's do that. All right, so we're back. So I'm set at 50 right now, again, because that normally is super loud when we're testing these headsets. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and go up to 50. All right, so test 1 2. Test 1 2. So
this is the audio that you're hearing from the Poly Blackwire 8225. But since this is
supposed to have acoustic fence technology, I'm gonna go louder. Why not? Let's go extreme. All right, so they were at 65. and that's really loud.
Westgate Lakes Resort and Spa.
I'm gonna
They
get even
tell us they're
louder.
pacing
Yeah,
ahead
let's go down.
of an already strong July 4th weekend.
All right, so
TripIt analyzed
I'm all the
travel
way
data
up to
for
80. Wow. Okay, so that's really, really loud. I don't know if this does justice to how flippin' loud that volume is. And oh, it's even waking up my dog down here. All right, so hold on, I'm gonna mute that. All right, so woo. All right, so that was really loud. I'm going to be very, very interested in going back and listening to that audio to see how well this microphone blocked it out. The other thing I wanted to do was see if we're going to test a blender, and we're going to try to get my dog to bark. I tried to get him to bark earlier. He wouldn't bark for anything. So we'll see what we can do. But for now, that's what you got. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we're going to test a blender, and hopefully we can get my dog to bark. So I just wanted to show that I downloaded a new app to measure the decibel level. So we just did some tests, and so this is what I would normally be listening TV, the volume level that I would be listening to TV at, right? And I believe that's like at a 20. Yeah. And so when we do some of the mic tests that we've done in the past, we raise that volume all the way up to 50. And then what we did just now for this particular headset, the Poly Blackwire 8225, we went all the way up to 80. So that's really loud right now. But anyway, so again, I'm just testing the decibel level there. All right. Just wanted to show that. All right. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.